Hello my people and welcome to my channel. So today I want to solve this physics problem for grade 10. So the question says a resistor develops 400 joule of thermal energy in 10 seconds when a current of 2 amperes passed through it. What is the resistance of the resistor? Now what we define the resistance of the resistor. So I want to use two patterns of them. Pattern now talk. Let me say now just my pattern like this. The first pattern. Now the same formula I go use sha. But then I want make you decide if na exams you want do this thing, which one we go like choose, which pattern you go like use. Ma just show you now. So first thing I go do now, I go fetch out all the parameters, things where they give inside the equation. Now they call parameters. The resistor develops 400 joule of thermal energy. So we don't get energy. Say now 400 joule. Now in 10 seconds, they don't even give us time. Time equal to 10 seconds. When a current of 2 ampere, they don't give us current. Say now 2 ampere is passed through it. What is the resistance? Resistance of the resistor. Now we define. This same parameter now we use for this second formula. But the formula we will use now, that the formula of this thermal energy or joule heating formula. What will be the formula? E equals I squared RT. If you never see the formula before, no problem. Now this same formula too, what I will use for this second one. I'm not going to change them. But now the pattern now at the top, like I mentioned before. The first pattern we say, as the formula did like this, remember saying that arrow is defined, maybe the resistance. I will just pack everything, put inside like this. I not go first make arrow the solve formula, but here I go first make arrow the solve formula. Make you see which one will go quick and they easier for us. And you go decide for comment section. Like this video, share them. So yeah, E na 400 equal to I na 2. But because of this square, we go square times arrow we define times T na 10. Grab. You know, say 2 squared now 4. So 4 times 10 now 40. So 400 equal to 40 times this arrow, 40 arrow. Since we define arrow, divide both sides by 40. 40 and 40 will cancel. Therefore, arrow will be equal to 0 go come out this 0, 4 go come out this 4, remaining 1. That means 10. 10 waiting. Waiting with this symbol for physics. Put that for comment section. If you never subscribe to my channel, then make you hit the subscribe button. If you subscribe, the next thing you go do now, turn on that bell icon. You just turn it on so that anytime I post video, now you be the first person who will receive notification if you like what I do for this page. Then finally, like this video, share, and make others to learn. For this one now, instead of me to just carry everything put inside the formula directly, I will first make arrow the solve formula. If I want to make arrow to stand alone, I will come out everything we attached to arrow I squared T. Let me say I divide both sides by I squared T. So that this one and this one will cancel, this one and this one will cancel. Arrow 9 remain equal to E over this I squared times T. You grab. So now I can pack all this in and put inside. Arrow now will be equal to E na 400. See I'm here, E 400. I na 2. But 2, because of this square, you go square times T na 10. You grab, Abi. So now arrow now will be equal to 2 squared na 4. 4 times 10 na 400. Na 40, Abi. So 400 over 40. You say this one will cancel. 40 divided by 4 will be 10. So what will be the name of this thing? By now, if you don't drop the name for comment section now, so I will tell you what the name in na ohms. If now waiting been dropped here, let me say correct. So now all I get for you. I hope say this video is very, very simple and I explain a way for you. Let me know for comment section by encouraging me. And finally, just try to like this video, share and subscribe if you never subscribe, and share this video. And next time we will see now. If they share and so that other students will learn, try share and beg. Later now.